Today we're installing a Savio skimmer filter. We're going to be putting on the faceplate and door, which provides the watertight seal through the liner. The first step is to place your weir dividers. There are 3 choices on where those are going to go, and the determining factor is the size of the faceplate that you've selected. If you're using a 16-inch, then you're going to be using the outermost slots. A 6-inch, we'll use the innermost. Today we'll be using an 8.5-inch faceplate. We're going to put those in place right here. Next, take your door. This is going to snap in place at the bottom and just flip back. We're then ready to take the liner. We're going to position this. The skimmer includes 2 locator pins. The first step is to line this up with our screw holes on the skimmer unit itself and puncture. We're using a nail here to start our holes and put the locator pins in place from there. All right, next, 3/4 of an inch below the skimmer door opening right here, we're going to use our utility knife and create a 3-inch slit around the middle. Now we're ready to actually put the faceplate on. Make sure that the locator pins line up with the holes that do not go all the way through the faceplate. The tab on the faceplate is going through the 3-inch slit that you've created. And we're ready to install the screws. If you happen to have a clamp handy, this is helpful for keeping the faceplate stable. We generally like to use a nail or an awl to, again, puncture the liner in order to get our screw started. You want to start on the corners, putting each corner about halfway in to begin. After the corners are done, you can install the rest of the screws, again halfway. Once all screws are halfway, you can begin working your way around tightening all screws. Once you've got all the screws tightened up and in place, it is important that you go back in and just ensure that all of the heads are recessed to ensure a watertight seal. You're then ready for the final step, which is to cut the opening. I'm going to use a utility knife. Just run your way around the inside perimeter of the faceplate with your utility blade, and your skimmer filter is ready to function.